Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am Professor Naveed Aslam Dogar, and today we learn some important words of English vocabulary. I have written some sentences, and in front of these sentences I will write a single word that will communicate the meaning of whole sentence, right? So the first sentence is one who has narrow religious views. A person who has narrow religious views is called bigot. Bigot. So bigot is a word that can be used for a person who has narrow religious ideas or narrow religious views. Similarly, second sentence, one who feeds on vegetables. A person who only likes to eat vegetable and avoid flesh eating, that person is called vegetarian. वेजिटेरियन का वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं उस बंदे के लिए जो सिर्फ वेजिटेबल्स खाता हो. देन द थर्ड सेंटेंस, वन हु ईट्स ह्यूमन फ्लैश. ह्यूमन फ्लैश खाने वाला जो बंदा है उसको हम कैनिबल कहते हैं. इसके लिए वर्ड यूज करते हैं कैनिबल. इसको उर्दू में हम बोलेंगे आदमखोर, राइट? देन द फोर्थ सेंटेंस इज वन हु ब्रेक्स images and idols. The person who breaks images and idols is called iconoclast. Iconoclast. उर्दू में हम इसको बुत शिकन कह सकते हैं, ठीक है? जैसे कि आप अगर हिस्ट्री में जाएं तो महमूद गजनवी के हवाले से कहा जाता है कि he was an iconoclast. Then a person who believes in the total abolition of war. यानी ऐसा बंदा जो कि वॉर्स को पसंद ना करता हो और वो चाहता हो कि जो वॉर्स हैं उनको खत्म कर दिया जाए, उस बंदे को हम बोलते हैं पैसिफिस्ट. पैसिफिस्ट. द वर्ड विच वी कैन यूज फॉर दैट पर्सन इज पैसिफिस्ट. एंड द सिक्स्थ वन, अ पर्सन और अ मैन हु इज वुमेनिश इन हिज हैबिट्स. इट मीन्स अ पर्सन हु इज बिहेविंग लाइक वुमेन. दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड effeminate. Effeminate. We use the word effeminate for that person. A person who believes the whole world as his country. देखिए, ऐसा शख्स जो कि ये समझता हो कि पूरी दुनिया जो है वो उसका ही कंट्री है, तो उस बंदे के लिए, उस पर्सन के लिए हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. So cosmopolitan is also an important word in English vocabulary. One who knows many languages. It means a person who is expert or who knows about different languages. That person is called polyglot. We use the word polyglot for that person. Then one who abstains from drinking. That means the person who abstains from drinking wine. We use the word teetotaler. Teetotaler. Then one who leads other in a field. For example, a person who is introducing a field of knowledge, study, science, or any branch or any work, that person is called pioneer. Pioneer. Okay? Pioneer. One who wastes money for luxury. A person who is wasting his money for luxurious life, that person is called extravagant. Extravagant. Okay? Extravagant. One who abandons his religious faith. यानी ऐसा बंदा जो अपने religious faith को तर्क कर दे, छोड़ दे, उसके लिए वर्ड हम यूज करते हैं apostate. Apostate. Apostate की टर्म या apostate का वर्ड इसके लिए यूज होता है. A person with long experience. Long experience in any field, that person is called veteran. Veteran. Okay, for example, you can say that Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan is a veteran scientist. Then that which cannot be corrected. For example, a piece of writing, or you can say any work which cannot be corrected. तो उसके लिए जो हम term use करेंगे, that is called incorrigible. Incorrigible. Okay, so these are the important words which we have discussed today. Thank you so much for listening.